Rinsed the dye off, shampooed, conditioned, did a wash and go, tapered it on the sides, on the back. Well, I was looking for something classic, natural, something that blends well in a professional environment. The first choice, of course, was soft brown. But looking at my skin and that's when I just thought, So that's how I zeroed to chocolate brown. This is a mixture of bronze and copper, and I thought it could give me something. This is what it looks like in the picture, but sometimes you don't get exactly that real color. But I think it was close to that because this is after a second wash. Of course, as you keep washing your hair, your color or dye keeps, So this is bronze copper. That mixture I thought would give me something more calm, tolerable. I mean, what you choose to wear says a lot about you. Looking at several aspects, maybe your working environment, your lifestyle. That's the brand I'm using, Cream of Nature. This is what it looks like. We're opening this together. So the first thing that I see is, instruction. This is very important. It says cream color developer. And of course, this is the color. We also have some oil. And I don't know what I thought they were gloves. We'll check that later. So let's look at the instructions. There's quite a lot here, but it's important to know exactly what to do. Instruction sheets with gloves. So actually they are gloves. But let me just go straight to preparation. So they're saying choose full color application if you're coloring hair for the first time. Yeah, okay. Let me see. Full color application instructions. Yes. So assemble color products. Yes. The color itself, developer, conditioner, then oil. Drape towel over shoulders for protection. So what I'm going to do, I put on this. You want to put on a shirt that you don't mind getting grained with color. Precisely that's what I'm doing. Put on gloves. These are the gloves that came with it. And actually, I didn't know they were real gloves. So that's it. Mix Cream of Nature permanent cream gel hair color into bottle containing Cream of Nature cream color developer. So those are our products, and we are going to mix this into this. And they're telling us to recap and shake till it's all mixed well. I hope this has mixed well, and what I see here is purplish. Okay, so they're saying put our hair into 4 sections. Of course, that's for long hair. So with the tapered hair, short hair like this, I think we're going to just do it like that. Cut. Okay, so I'm going to dye mid-length and the ends for 15 minutes and then come back and apply on the roots and the sides and the back and leave it for further 15 minutes. So if you apply the dye to the roots first, they may develop a more intense color than the rest of the hair, leading to uneven color results. Okay, so I'm going to leave this for 15 minutes and then come back after 15 minutes to apply up to the roots and then also on the sides and the back. Okay, so now 15 minutes are done and I'm going to put it everywhere. So this is the time that I'm going to reach the roots and also on the sides and the back. Let me start from the front here. Okay, just assume that you're applying, you're curling your hair and applying maybe like a gel or something like that, and you keep detangling from the roots up to the tips. So there we are. I combed it just to emphasize the detangling so the product spreads and gets in so well. Put on a hair cap which helps with heat and therefore processing better. Rinse the dye off, shampooed, conditioned, did a wash and go, tapered it on the sides, on the back, and there we are. What do you think? Was this video helpful?